एक्सरसाइज 6.5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 क्या बोला गया देखो यहाँ पे ए लेडर 10 मीटर लॉन्ग रीचेस ए विंडो 8 मीटर अबव द ग्राउंड फाइंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द फुट ऑफ द लेडर from the base of the wall. So this is the ladder here AC, which is just reaching a window at position C, and this is the wall. Wall में तो window होगा ना, BC is the wall, C is the position of the window. BC is the wall, C is the position of the window. Up to this window a ladder has reached. Here ladder is AC. So mention here AC is the ladder. Here AC is the ladder. ठीक है. So what you have to find here? Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. So this is the foot of the ladder and this is the base of the wall. To find out this. Here AC length given how much? Ladder length is 10 meter. 10 meter. What is the height of the window from the ground? It is 8. This is 10 meter. This one is 8 meter. BC equal to 8 meter. What you have to find out? Distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. To find AB. To find AB. In solution part, here also you will go for Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. If B is 90, hypotenuse is your AC. So AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AB value is not given. AC value is 10. So it is 10 square. AB you have to find out. And BC value is 8. 8 square. 10 square is your 100. Here it is AB square. This is 64. 64 you bring in left hand side to minus 64, so it is AB square. So 100 minus 64 is 36 equal to AB square. Therefore AB equal to, you will not give here plus minus because length cannot be negative, only 36, so it is 6 meter. So distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is 6 meter. So this is the end of question number 9. Now see 6.5 question number 10. What did they say? A guy attached a wire to a vertical pole of height 18 meter. So this is the pole. Vertical means straight. Length of the pole is 18 meter. A guy attached a wire to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long. To this pole a wire is attached. Here AC is the wire. The length of the wire is 24 meter. And has a stack attached to the other end. One end of the wire is attached to the vertical pole, top of the vertical pole, and the other is attached to some other place. How far from the base of the pole, this is the base of the pole B, should the stack be driven off so that the wire will be taut? Means the wire will be straight, there will be no bending and all. So I repeat here AC is the wire, BC is the pole, and you have to find the length of AB. So right here BC is the vertical pole. Here BC is the vertical pole. And AC is the wire. Now see, one end of the wire is attached to the pole and the other end is attached to a stack. Okay, if to find the distance of that stack from the base of the pole, I repeat again, AC is the wire whose one end is attached to the top of the vertical pole and the other end is attached to a stack. If to find the distance of that stack from the base of the pole, that means to find AB. So here first we will write AC equal to 24 centimeter, BC equal to 18 centimeter. To find AB. Here also you have to use Pythagoras theorem because this is right angle triangle. So solution part you write in triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. You have to mention it which angle is 90 degree, because 90 degree opposite side is hypotenuse. So Pythagoras theorem is what? Hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. AC length is given 24 square, AB is unknown to you, and BC is your 18 square. 24 square is 576, AB square 18 square is 324. Okay, now change the side. 576 minus 324 equal to AB square. 6 minus 4 it is 2, 7 minus 2 it is 5, it's 252 equal to AB square. Therefore AB equal to root over 252. Find out the factors of 252. So 252 factors is what? How much you got? 2 6 ja 2 actually. Then 2 4 ja, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja, 3 2 ja 6, 3 ja 3 7 ja. So what you got here? 2 square into 3 square into 7. Square will come outside. 2 into 3 and root 7. So it is 6 root 7 centimeter. So distance will be 6 root 2 root 7 meter, not centimeter, meter. So this is the end of question number 10. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 का लास्ट आंसर क्या है? 6 रूट 7 मीटर. नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Question number 11, what did they say? They have said an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. So the plane went towards north. Towards north, the speed was how much? 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 km per hour. How far will the two planes after 1.5 hours? So let me draw the geographical direction. It is east, west, north, south. So in first case, what did they give? An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. Suppose towards north an aeroplane flight. So this is A, this is B. Okay, towards north the aeroplane is flying. What is the speed of the aeroplane? It is given 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west. Another from the same spot, another went towards west. So this C. From A to C, when they went, the speed was how much? 1200 km per hour. You have to find out how far apart will the two planes after 1.5 hours. So distance between these two after 1.5 hours. Make the diagram. So the first aeroplane went towards north, AB, the second towards west, AC. You have to find out the distance between the two planes after 1.5 hours. So you have to find out BC here. So here you write what it is given. While flying from A to B, the speed was 1000 km per hour, and you have to find out how much distance it has covered in 1.5 hours. They have asked how far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours. After 1.5 hours, what will be the distance between the two planes? So let me find out. Right, distance covered by the plane. Distance covered by the plane. Distance covered by the aeroplane due north. To mention the direction, distance covered by the aeroplane due north in 1.5 hours equal to, what do you know? Speed equal to distance by time. So distance equal to speed into time. speed into time. So due north the speed was 1000, so it is 1000, and your time was 2 3 by 2. Here it will be kilometer, so if you cancel it, it is 500, so it is 1500 kilometer. That means here 1500 kilometer is covered. Okay, same way you find out distance covered by the aeroplane due west in 1.5 hour. Distance covered by aeroplane due west in 1.5 hour. Towards west the speed was 1200, so this speed into time, so if you cancel it, it is 600, so it is 1800 kilometer. So this part is 1800 kilometer. Okay, now you know AB length 1500, AC length 1800. If to find out BC, so this is right angle triangle, so you will use here Pythagoras theorem. So copy this part. Now you write, I will rub this part. Right, in right angle triangle ABC, in right angle triangle ABC, mention which angle is 90 degree. Angle A is 90 degree. Therefore BC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Your AB value is 1500, so it is 1500 square, and your BC value is 1800, so it is 1800 square. So not BC, it will be CA. Okay, BC square equal to AB square plus CA square. So 1500 square means 1500 square is 225, double zero will become 4 zeros. Your 1800 is 324, 18 square is 324. Now you add up 4 zeros, 549, 224, 325, 549. Okay. If to find the length of BC, therefore BC equal to root over of 549, 4 zeros. 549 factors you find out. 549 is divisible by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 8 ja 24, 3 3 ja 9, 3 6 ja 18, 3 1 ja. So it will be 3 square into 61. Here 4 zeros are there, so 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. Square root of 3 is 3. 10 to the power 4 will become 10 square, and here it is 61. 61 will not come out of square root, so it is 300 root 61. So last you will write distance between the two plane is 300 root 61 kilometer. At last you will write distance between the two plane is 300 root 61 kilometer. Okay, so this is the end of question number 11. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 में देखो क्या बोला गया. टू पोल्स ऑफ हाइट 6 मीटर एंड 11 मीटर स्टैंड ऑन द प्लेन ग्राउंड. यहाँ पे दो पोल है, वन इज ए बी एंड वन इज डी सी. बोथ ऑफ देम आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन बी सी. Height length of AB given 6 meter and not given. I have taken AB as 6 meter, DC as 11 meter. Distance between the two pole is how much? 12 meter. What you have to find out? Find the distance between their tops, means AD. Construction what I have done? AO perpendicular DC. Now look at the diagram. If BC is 12 meter, AO also will be 12 meter. AB is 6. So this much part is 6 meter. OC is 6 meter. So complete was 11. This much it is 6. So 11 minus 6 it is, how much we will get? 5 meter. OD is your 5 meter. Okay, I repeat again. AB 6, so OC also will be 6. BC is 12, AO also will be 12. Okay, because when this is 90 degree, it will form a rectangle. It will form a rectangle, and rectangle opposite sides are equal. Complete was 11. If this much is 6, the left part is 5. You have to find the length of AD. So in given part you will write AB and DC are the two poles standing on the base BC. AB 6 meter, DC 11 meter, BC 12 meter. In construction you will write AO perpendicular DC. What you have to find out? To find out AD. So what we will write here? In construction you will write AO perpendicular DC is drawn. AO perpendicular DC is drawn. In the solution part, you will write AO equal to BC equal to 12 meter, AB equal to OC equal to 6 meter. Therefore, DO equal to, complete was 11 meter minus 6 meter equal to 5 meter. Okay, this upper part will represent a right angle triangle. So write in triangle AOD, angle AOD equal to 90 degree. So if this is 90, AD will work as hypotenuse. So write AD square, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square, DO square plus AO square. DO value is 5 and your AO value is 12 square. So 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144. You will get here 169. Therefore AD equal to root over 169. You will not give here plus minus because length cannot be negative, so it will be only plus. So it is 13 meter. So distance between their tops is 13 meter. So ultimately you will write distance between their tops equal to 13 meter. So this is the end of question number 12, exercise 6.5. Copy this.